Dear Larry, my dad sneezes into his hands. What do I do?
Well, it sounds like your dad sneezes into his hands because he was raised at a different time and before the whole elbow thing became a habit. So I think what you need to do is just be supportive
Oh.
and not sarcastic when he does sneeze into his hands, because I guess the option would be to sneeze into midair.
I'll add to this piece of advice. I think a spray bottle could be good. So anytime your dad, my dad, someone's dad sneezes into their hands, it's tss, enough.
Then I would say that maybe the dad could just sneeze right at you.